In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy may require identity verification to keep your shop active and to ensure secure payments. Now, if you want to verify your identity on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Settings. Then, look for a verification prompt. If required, Etsy will ask you to upload a valid government ID or take a photo for identity confirmation. Now, follow the instructions carefully and upload your document or complete the verification steps. After that, submit your details and wait for confirmation. Verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Then, check your email or dashboard for updates about your verification status. Keep in mind that your name must match your bank account and legal details exactly, or the verification may fail. Also, make sure your photos are clear, well lit, and not cropped so all details are visible. That's it. By verifying your identity on Etsy, you ensure your shop stays active and your payments continue without issues.